Okay.
And then where's my Discord screen? I think Mark's in here, right? Game screen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, Mark. Let's see. We're
Yo.
on Discord, right? Hey, get my Discord screen, will you? I'm just preparing things. If you guys can actually look up the dates, I'm just gonna list it in the floor. But I only know that Netflix and Tesla's are next week, and then I'm gonna list the October 25th ones, which I believe are Google. Let's see, GOGL. I think Amazon's is also on. What is it?
I'm gonna get some water. Be right back.
Yeah, go ahead. Hi, Miguel.
Yeah.
Let's see what else we got. Oh yeah, I think Microsoft and Apple's are on the 27th. So, I mean, we.
Here, I'm gonna put it in the chat right now.
Oh no,
Earnings
Microsoft
whisper.
is on October 25th. We can play Microsoft. Sick.
Oh, cool.
Yes. SFT.
Put Zillow on there. November 2nd.
Dang, that's when we come back, dude.
When's it? What's on November 2nd?
Zillow.
Zillow.
Oh, Zillow.
Laid
Okay.
back says short Zillow, dude.
Great. Really gonna follow him?
Right now.
Let's see. Meta is on October 26th. That's the day we're actually leaving. Oh my god. Forgot. You have to shift these. Shift enter. There we go. 10, 26. This is Meta. And then 27th was, I think, Apple.
Let me see.
Amazon is on the 27th, I believe. Yeah, Amazon's on the 27th. Hey, Mark, when are you leaving for New York with Scylla?
The 26th. The same
damn.
time you leave, I think, right?
Okay, yeah, well, maybe we'll catch you in LAX.
Are you guys taking red eye?
No, we're flying in the morning.
Oh, we're taking red eye, so we'll miss you then.
Yeah.
Let's see. I'm adding Zillow to this.
What else we got? I think those are the main ones that we look out for, right? It's usually Netflix, the Fat Mang. So what else is what's Fat Mang? We got Microsoft. Did I put Microsoft? Oh yeah,
Yeah.
Apple. Apple's on the 27th. That's the big boy. Yep. Let's see. Typically, excuse me. After hours.
Okay, dang. Google, Microsoft on the 25th.
Google, Microsoft, and what else?
Yeah, so Google, Microsoft on the 25th. I seen some shit on Unusual Wells GM. I'm gonna talk to Knives and see if there's possibly something.
I think
We
GM
could,
and Ford hit their 52-week lows. I think that was the big news about them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, let's go see.
Okay,
Yeah.
so 25th, Google, Microsoft. Oh, Visa as well. Interesting. And then, see, 26 Meta.
I think Pepsi's is this week, but I mean that's just food.
That's a good one too. That's a good indicator as far as macro. Oh, WM. That's a good blue chip stock. But as far as tech, so Meta on the 26th.
Let's see, maybe anything on ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil's on the 28th. You think that's a good one to play? That's you.
This
right?
week?
No, 28th of October. That's their earnings.
Oh, their earnings? Oh, shit.
Yeah. They're also
Oh,
within.
that's just gonna break past 100, dude. Like, it went up to 102, and then I saw the dip. I was like, fuck. And then, actually, I should easily buy 100 calls for like a month out. It'll definitely blow past 100 with like all this OPEC shit. But I'm gonna pay attention to the news and look at the chart. The chart looked downtrendy right now. When I looked at the XM chart. Uh, closed at 98. I could still see it going back up to 100 with all this because you saw in Europe, right? Like fucking because Russia's taking all their gas, like Europe is fucked, dude. Like
Good God.
during the winter, yeah, there's gonna be an energy shortage in Europe. So actually thanks for letting me know that. So I'll keep XM on watch and I'll like chart that shit and see.
I'll add it to the list just because it sounds like it's important. But that's
Okay.
that's well during our vacation.
Okay.
So that's 28 XOM. Nice. Okay. Added.
Okay, so 27 is Apple and Amazon, the big boys, and Starbucks. Sheesh. McDonald's.
Starbucks? I thought theirs was on November 4th. Or November 3rd. Let me see what Robinhood says, but it says on Webull here the 3rd of November.
Yeah, I'm looking on the NASDAQ website.
Okay. Sometimes some things are a little funny as BUS.
Right, yeah, because I looked at Earnings Whisper as well, and they didn't show like everything.
Yeah, Starbucks says I'm sorry, Robinhood says Starbucks is on November 3rd after hours.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Damn. What the hell then?
It's pretty funny how I just parked my money on that Starbucks play and I didn't lose any money. I literally got $1 off of closing it. But then I closed the Lucid covered call, but then opened up a new one. So that's where I got 21 from.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
I'm not gonna go too crazy in the charting tonight, just because everything can change tomorrow. But
Earnings fucks up TA, huh? Like you can do TA, like it's a good blueprint, like to plan the trade, but like you kind of gotta react, huh?
oh yeah, earnings will fuck up TA hard.
Nah, bro. They set that shit up. That's not true.
The harmonic buddy?
Yeah, dude, that's not true.
Dang. You said it's not true. All right.
Damn.
Hey, but ever since you've been charting though, I've been like noticing the patterns on where to draw the harmonic. I'm gonna actually put in some time this week and I'll draw my first harmonic, dude. Cause like after seeing Mark, I'm like, dang, I'm gonna try to see if I can figure this shit out.
Wait, Mark, why are you streaming, bro?
Oh, check this out, dude. Check out Zillow, man. Zillow matches macroeconomics. Like, I honestly don't
cool.
think...
Thanks, buddy, for posting the dates.
PPI and FOMC minutes, they're not going to change what's happening in the housing market. Like, I'm trying to fucking buy a house. And so, like, I've been, like, up on it. And, bro, every day, like, $100,000 price reduction, $55,000 price reduction. It's like...
Where are you buying a house at, buddy? Here in Santa Monica?
No, Santa Clarita. I'm trying to stay within, because it's good for families. So,
Gotcha.
and then I'll get like emails from Zillow like, 100 houses on sale, and then you look on the email how many sold. It's like 30.
Nothing, huh?
Yeah, like nothing. So I was like, okay, well, let's see this. And then Laid Back tweeted it, and I'm like, okay, what's happening there? And then I found this harmonic right here.
That's cool.
It's a little off on the X. I even did it on the extended hours. But look, this matches up. This matches up right here. This all matches up, and it slices through this support all the way down to $21. Right now,
it might be a Gartley though.
Oh shit!
52-week low.
Remember, with harmonics, you always want to go with conservative price, right? Because that way, if it happens, you still have room to go. Because if you do it wrong and you shoot over it, then it kind of fucks everything up. You know what I mean? So it's
So-
always good to go for the most conservative points because that's what you want to play as. You want to play it safe. And then if it breaks that point, then okay, you can say, okay, then it's a crab now. You know what I mean?
Yeah. All right. Let me try.
So Gartley would end at the 786.
Do this.
I think you could have used the same harmonic there, just ended the D point differently.
Oh, really? Okay. Hold
Yeah,
on.
so just just hit the view, and then the D point, drag it to 786.
Should I still have extended on or no?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna dupe this, and I'm gonna change the name of this. What did I have this as?
You could put that. You can name that Gartley, and then the next one you can name it Crab.
Oh yeah, that was the crowd. That's right.
That's sick.
And just make sure you lock it too, because TradingView is weird, and sometimes if you don't lock shit, it'll move it.
Oops. Oh, that's why I have to duplicate. There we go. Okay.
So hide your crab after you duplicate it.
Yeah. And then this one's unlocked. Okay, good. So I can just match.
Terrible because
Woohoo!
Oh yeah, that's right. And drag this up. Oh shit. This is yeah, right there. Yeah, let's see. Golly. Oh, 786. Okay.
Yeah. Wait, Mark. Are the candles that are left to the B point? You see that one candle that's to the left of the B point? It's further down. That
Yeah.
should be your B point.
There we go.
But hold on, this might actually be a butterfly now. So
886.
hold on, because you have a 7-2. I think this is a butterfly. So the butterfly and the first PT on it, conservative. I think it's the 127. Yeah, 1272. So lower, right there. But make sure your points, your C and your A are good.
Is it?
Yeah, that's
I think
fine.
as I can get it. Yeah, CNA's. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
okay.
785. Let me change the color on that.
Yeah, so I think this is a butterfly here.
And then let's change this to blue.
And make sure you lock it, that way it doesn't move. And then draw your horizontal line. You don't have to draw your diagonal trend line anymore because it already broke.
Oh yeah, that's true. Let me see here. There we go. Cool. Wait, what are we drawing? Sorry, my bad. The horizontal, right?
Yeah, the neckline. Yeah. Just in case it wants to like retest or something like that. But yeah, I think this might be that. And then if it goes below, okay, wait, the butterfly says we have room also to the what is it? The 1618. So that might fit the crab pieces too.
Let me reposition. Oh, actually, hold on. Is sea leg.
You see how that beat changed everything for you?
Yeah. Bring
So
that.
yeah, I think I think it's a butterfly instead of a crab, because it ends at the 1618 as well. So you can actually just delete the crab harmonic and then just keep the butterfly and then draw a horizontal line at the 1618, so you know that that's the range for the D.
The 1618. That's the B, right?
The D. So the butterfly said, if you take a look at the butterfly, D point says it can complete from anywhere from the 1272 all the way to the 1618, and it will still be a butterfly.
Oh, got it. Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So one. Okay, so I know what you're saying. So
$27.89.
fuck. My bad.
Are you on a touchpad?
No, I'm on my computer, but the magnet's on, so it's
Oh
like
yeah. Use the weak magnet. I don't know if you're using the strong or weak.
oh, I didn't even know you can do that.
Yeah.
1618.
Yeah, so I would draw like another line there and then erase one of the harmonics so it doesn't get cluttered. And that way you know that, hey, the D leg could still go to, if it breaks the 1272, then potentially it could go to the 1618. Yeah. So anywhere in that range, that D leg can end. That'll be completed.
Okay, I'm gonna delete this one. There we go. Bro, that's
It looks much cleaner, right?
2 points. That's a 7-point move, man. Yeah, now I gotta add this to the list. Because I don't think doesn't matter what numbers come out. Like housing is just terrible right now.
Give me a sec, guys. I'll be back.
Okay. What else did you guys chart earlier? In the early afternoon mark.
I wasn't trying. I was just watching because I was at work, but I wrote it down. So let me see.
Because the Netflix stuff sounded pretty good. I was going to play it this morning, but I just didn't.
So Netflix, if you're just going off ATRs, let me.
That's what I was meant to write down.
There's a supply zone right here, and then it rejected the day range ATR and the swing range ATR. So it rejected both things, and then it just went. It never even had the chance to pull back and come back up. So I'm thinking if I was to play this, I'm looking at 204 as my target, but I'm gonna be waiting around this area, this 218, or if it keeps going, this 222. That's where I'd be wait. That's where I'm waiting to like take put.
222. Let's see on the short term today. 222. Okay, so it was kind of resting above 220 for most of today, and then it took a big drop.
Yeah. So this would be a good supply zone to enter puts, and then your risk would probably be around this wick right here. Yeah, this looks like a good place. Yeah, because there was resistance right there.
222. Okay.
I mean, actually, I'd probably go lower, because a $2 risk is a lot, at least for me in my small account. So that would be where my risk is, right at the top of that body of that candle.
222.
But if it rejects here, this is a pretty hard rejection because it's the day range and the swing range. 204 would be very likely, especially with the way the shit that's gonna be happening tomorrow with PPI and FOMC minutes.
Is that a SMA on the 218? Is that so? It might not. It might reject from there too.
Oh,
218.
the SMA. This is my orange SMA or my blue?
The blue one.
Oh yeah, the blue is actually also matching up to this 218.
Right.
So
Okay.
by the time tomorrow, let's like we'd probably be like right around here, maybe
Okay.
216. I know Miguel has his price target all the way to 194, but because I didn't do the harmonic on this, I'm going off. I'm going off. Macro. Support lines, which is right here. See, this 203 or 204 area. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 days it tried to. It was a resistance. So this is a major support line right here, for sure.
So that's 204.
Yeah, 204.82. That would be my exit. But if I mean, I think Miguel's puts are like way up here, so he has room to let it run. But if it's a short term, yeah, my exit would be 204 because I don't want to risk a bounce.
Gotcha.
And then Microsoft. Well, Miguel could probably talk about Microsoft when he's back. I copied his homework pretty much from the screen grab he sent.
Gotcha.
But my usual tickers, Apple. I think I'm gonna do Apple now more than AMD. But Apple went back in the range. I'm pretty mad I didn't wait till intraday, but I set up rules for myself so I don't do it again. But like, I got in puts right here, like right around here, because I saw this rejection. This was also a supply zone. It rejected, and then it faked me out. But then look at intraday.
Damn.
It did what I wanted it to do. It went up here, and then it sliced or knifed all the way down. So next time I'm gonna wait till it really hits the supply, because right here, if I got in right here, even if it like broke through, like if I got in right there at the top of this resistance, that would have been an easy 12% play right there.
Damn.
All right, I'm back.
Yeah, that's like a 12% play. $1 1 point move. Just that one candle alone. But yeah, right here, this would have been the best one.
We just looked at Netflix before Apple, Miguel.
Okay.
Oh yeah, we're looking at Netflix. I was telling him 204 would be my exit. I know you have 194, but you're like way up on the play already. So short term for me, if I'm getting in right here, I'd take 204 as my exit point. And then I was gonna say you should talk about Microsoft because you're the one that charted that. I just copied your homework on that.
Oh yeah, Microsoft. Yeah, it's nice.
I'll switch it to you. Yeah, I literally just got your screen grab and I was like, oh, that's your points? That's your points? Okay, that's what I'm gonna do.
Wait, do you want me to stream?
Yeah, V-Stream.
Okay. Let's see.
Microsoft almost hit your price target from a couple days ago, Miguel.
Wait, what?
You asked me to put some notes on Microsoft a couple days ago, and it almost did. I think it got to 225 today.
Oh yeah.
Let me see.
It was another harmonic that I was playing.
Let me
Hold on,
see.
this is Netflix. You already went over Netflix.
Yeah, not harmonic wise, just more of like the ATRs even match because I was telling them like the swing and the day ATRs both got rejected. So that's a big sign. And then the 50 SMA is coming down too, so that's also going to be resistance. So if that is all respected, I'm looking at 204 as a zip point.
So this harmonic is the one that I've been playing, for the most part. I fixed it up earlier, because I'm being more conservative just in case. So I changed it. I changed this to a butterfly, and that PT aligns with with Mark's, right? He said 204, mine's like 206, right? And then on the short term, we have this. This could potentially play out. Let me hide this real quick. So this is a cipher. I'm just charting the smaller time frames just in case we do get a bounce, right? I know that the other patterns are still valid, right? So this cipher, first leg ends here. I think the second one ends over here as well, and it matches this harmonic here, which also ends at this line. If we do break all that, then I do think we go on the larger one, which is my bat. And that's like all the way down here, like way past 194.
Goddamn.
But this is like if earnings are fucking terrible and then the market is just shit, you know what I mean, this Friday. So I mean, it can happen. This is the only one of the few large caps that does have an M forming. The other ones are Ws, and they're staircasing down. So I don't know. Let me go to Microsoft. So yeah, Microsoft. So my thesis before I drew this harmonic was that we were going to go to 216, just on the fact that we closed below. No, not closed below, but we are hanging on like live support here, right? So anything below this line right here, this is the ATR. This is the put ATR on the swing, right? So if we break this is a good entry. So I think anything above this is kind of risky because it can just bounce, and it has a long way to go up, right?
Mhm.
So I think the best thing to do is either wait for a rejection on an ATR or a strong SMA on the larger time frames. But for me, I think I'm gonna get in when it breaks this ATR.
225, 33.
Yeah, and then there's another ATR down here below it, so just be conscious of that. But yeah, once we break this, like 224, this is the low of day of today. We free fall to 222, and if we can't hold 222, then we go to 216. And the reason why I think we are hitting that is because when I drew my cipher, that is the pattern completion on the cipher. So 1414. So that's my thesis on Microsoft right now.
Cool.
Yeah, and then I think also the SMAs are coming down too. We got the 50 coming down. We got a death cross on the hourly here. I think all the SMAs are above it right now. Yeah. Oh wait, we have a 200 here. Oh wow, and look at the area. At the fucking pattern completion.
Is the
Right.
200? Is that the 200? Your purple?
Yeah. So by the time it reaches up here on Friday, it'll be at the 216, right? And that's where our harmonic You see what I'm saying?
Oh damn.
Dang.
Isn't that crazy?
So that's a high possibility, huh?
Yeah. So my harmonic says that that's our seed point, and then we bounce. So I mean, it's possible, right? Because the 200 is really strong. So if we find support here, we can bounce and then finish creating this small W that I have here on the smaller time frame. But it's still a good move. It's like a 10-point move. It's not bad. And then Microsoft contracts are pretty cheap too.
Let me go take a peek at them.
So that's what it's temple. So you'll see these giant buildings here.
Yeah, that's on Microsoft, and then Tesla's also on free fall.
It's in the down channel.
Yeah, Tesla's looking bad. I'm liking like low 200s.
It's near its 52-week low, I think.
Yeah, so an ideal entry tomorrow would probably be a rejection off this 888, because we never retested it. Actually, a lot of tickers today we never retested crucial points, so I'm excited to get an entry on those. Like Netflix as well, we never retested. I don't have so many harmonics here. I don't think we ever retested 217, and that is a very crucial area here. Right, we retested the trend line. I mean the neckline on one of these, but then also this line that I have here, the 214. This is a neckline on my larger. I think on my hourly harmonic. No, not the hourly. I think it's on the back. Let's see. Yeah, see, it's on the back. So this is already a crucial zone here, and it closed below. Wait, did we close? Oh, we closed above it. Oh no, we closed below it. Then after hours, we went up. So if anything, if it doesn't retest 217, then use this neckline as your risk. And then, like I told Mark earlier, we are approaching a strong reversal area, the 786 here at 212. So keep that in mind. If we do break below it though, it's free fall. That's on Netflix though. Meta as well. It's looking weak. A break below 126, we see 122, and then after 122 is let's see the ATR. Oh look, and the swing ATR is here too.
Meta.
So we can probably take this down all the way.
Holy. Let me see what the
Yeah.
52-week low on Meta is. I think we already hit it though.
Yeah, Meta will die here, bro. If we close below this and we break this 122, holy shit, we just fall.
52-week. It already hit its 52-week low at 126.
The only plays I like right now, AMD is like, eh. I mean, you could still get something out of AMD, but it's like Nvidia has to fall, and like Nvidia is just been chilling for now. Although if we do break this 786, but we have 786 to break, we have this ATR and this ATR. If we do break below that, Nvidia falls into 90s.
Dang.
Or is the first thing I see here. So, and then the 886 reversal area is at $82. So, I would keep Nvidia on watch and then watch what it does, and then you can play accordingly. Because AMD is also like hanging on by a thread. Apple's strong, dude. It's just so much support, bro, everywhere. That's why I don't like playing it right now. Look at this. Fuck. We'll close above the 786. So we gotta break this. We gotta break the 886. We have 2 ATRs to break. We have the most recent low back in early October. Then we have 211s to break. We have 886 to break, and then we have a neckline to break. So it's just a lot. When does it free fall? It just doesn't. Look, it has so much support.
Lots of overlapping fibs there.
Yeah, that's why I don't want to play Apple right now. Oh yeah, you guys weren't here earlier when I was showing Mark and Knives this. So right now on SPX, we have like 3 harmonics that are ciphers, bro. So what I think they're gonna do is just play them into the other one. You know what I mean? So they'll see to this C and then to the next C, which is the macro which I have here.
Is your audio cutting out, Miguel? It's kind of scratchy.
I don't know. Is it better?
How about better now?
Oh, there. It must be Discord. The Discord server must have like tweaked out for a second because yeah, your audio was screeching for a second. Yeah.
It's better?
It's better now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, this is my conservative PT on the macro, which is 347, and then if just everything is just bad, we have it's as far as I can see, it's just 3148, which is still pretty bad.
I think Gary Gensler's messing with your audio.
The SEC guy, Gary Gensler.
He doesn't want to hear. He doesn't want to hear those levels.
Like he's like, stop it.
Knives David, I don't want any part of this.
Wait,
I think Knives crashed our server, dude. The audio magically got better.
Yeah,
I'll be
this is
back.
futures right now. Let's see what it's doing. It's on the 10.
Look at all that chop.
Yeah. The B2C is always the choppiest. But at least we know where it's going. So any pops we short. What did it do here on the system? We rejected what is that, the 20, curling down. We closed below 50, now we close below the 10. Okay. Yeah, so this is not looking too good for futures here. Where's the 200? Oh, it's
Way
all
up.
here.
It's a big ass resistance.
Yeah. Yeah, so right now I'm really liking Netflix and Microsoft and Tesla. And I guess Meta too. You know? Let's see what we have. How's Baba?
Oh wow, I haven't heard that ticker in forever.
Yeah, Mark played that, huh, buddy? Early back in the day when we first started. Lava.
I was investing in it, and then I was like, I gotta get the fuck out. And I'm glad I did, because thing is like only double digits now.
He did John's warnings on China stocks.
Imagine if you did like 2-year puts on that, dude. You'd be swimming in dough right now.
Oh look, it rejected this pattern. I don't think it's. I mean, it could still kind of validate. So I'm gonna hold on to it just in case. This is Coinbase. Let's see. Rejected 200. It's just crawling up though. It's kind of weird. Yeah, that was weird right now.
Hey, Costco, yeah.
Did Costco hit where we were gonna say?
It closed out in the 470s today, so
Oh,
I
shit,
think
look at my harmonic.
I think it might actually see a bit of a pop where I want it to go to 480s. That's what I see.
Okay, so this is a butterfly. Yeah, the butterfly. Let's see the sea leg. 33822886. So this actually has room all the way. Oh yeah, I already drew my horizontal line. Damn, look at me. Yeah, so it has room to here before it shoots up.
Damn
I'm
it.
gonna save that there.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not saying it's gonna do this, but it does have room.
Right.
It can reverse from here and just go up, but it does have room to at least force.
I was actually using Costco as my guide for today because I saw the rest of the market was starting to climb up with it, but I saw Costco was climbing up first. That's why I was saying it just needs the rest of the market to go up with it, and then soon enough it did, and then somewhere in 11 things started to dip down.
Yeah, look, there's a couple M's here. There's a W here. There's a bigger M here. So I think it just completed this M, and that's why it retraced. Let's see. Yeah, it retraced back to 38. It's down.
Look at the balance, Ed. Look, I told you it'd play out. Look at the bottom of the balance. It didn't break, and look, it went back up.
Now just go up a little bit more.
Like it was a cipher. Yeah, look, 1-3. Let's see. Let me fix the points real quick. Do that. Okay. C point here. Oh, let's see. Yeah, I guess this counts. Please complete it. Oh, it had completed already and it went past it. Okay. So it completed at here at this line, but it just kept dumping.
Mm-hmm.
So what is it forming a W now? Let's find out. Maybe another cipher, probably.
Forming a new one, huh?
That'd be a W though.
Yes.
So C point, A point. Okay. So if it is a cipher, right here will be our first conservative point. And then potential bounce. If the market allows it, like here, 486. So that's what it's probably forming now. We are at
472, I think.
472, yeah. This is still on a large time. Let's see, let's get closer. On a closer, we have another probably M here. It was a smaller M here and it completed. But this one's probably not gonna be a cipher. It's probably gonna be like a butterfly or a bat here. Yeah, bat maybe. Bat 382. So I mean it's almost there. So it can go from this range here. Is that 3-8? Yeah, like 3-8. I'll just try to. Yeah, like here. Or it can go all the way to the 886, which is, and then just come back down. And then when it comes back down, it completes the C leg on the bigger harmonic.
Okay.
So it's just something to keep in mind. It's just forming patterns right now. I'm gonna leave this here just in case. Let's look at it without harmonics and fibs. Let's just do regular TA.
I mean,
So we got a death cross back in what, August, late August?
mm-hmm.
On the 2 hour, we got another death cross. On the 4 hour, we just got it. When is this? Today? No, last week. Yeah, last Friday, last Thursday, we got this death cross on the 4 hour. Look at the daily. Oh, daily, I think we got it today.
Oh God.
Yeah, we got it today. And look at this. We rejected this one today. We rejected the 10. So the algos are on this line right now.
Great.
That's three sessions already. That look at this. Here and here. And then these three here. Yeah, so they're playing off of this on the daily. So the 10's really strong on the daily right now. That's where the algos are on. And on the weekly, yeah, the weekly's down here. We got a cross on the system on the weekly. Let me hide my harmonics and let's just look at the fibs. Close above the 114. So chances are tomorrow, if this 50 does not bring us down, we'll probably see this 38. But let's look at the 2 hour. Oh no. We might not even get up there, bro, because the SMAs are just strong. Yeah. So if anything, short at the 30. It looked like it was climbing, and then fucking we had that the Bank of England shit.
That's what really brought everything down, huh?
Yeah, look, because it was curling up too. Look, we had a cross on the system, and it was going up, and then and then we're curling back down. So, yeah, dude, I think we just short this. Yeah, if we get below the 114, which is at 472, you can short it to, yeah, fuck the 50. We can short it to like 461.
That's its old resistance or support. I'm sorry.
Yeah, so you can take like a 10-point move off of this.
There were
Not
10-point
bad.
moves last week on Costco. I just didn't take.
Yeah. And it makes sense because that W that's forming here, right? Let's see. Right? Yeah, see? This is the shorter time frame, so. Yeah, Costco's good. Put that on the chat, bro.
What on shorting? What do you got it?
472.
All we need is fucking hot dogs are going to $2, bro. And
That's not gonna happen, though, right?
It's gonna kill my play.
$1.50 is he said hot dogs to $2 there.
Not again. Not this again.
you full port puts, bro. Never trade again.
Yeah, bro, if that shit happens, dude, I put all my whole bank account on Costco.
472 short.
Put your house on it. Oh fuck! This Starbucks is fucking so annoying, bro. It's just fucking.
Yeah.
Moves like
Looks
a
like it doesn't move, huh?
It's this fucking snail, dog.
That's why I got out of it. Not that I don't believe in the play, but I was like, I think I could work on playing something that's actually moving, like Microsoft and Netflix.
Yeah,
I guess if it's a snail, your spreads will probably work on that, no?
Yeah, but if we're expecting a death cross, then we're expecting it to go down, and I don't want to play something that we're expecting to go down.
Yeah.
I mean, the average volume on Starbucks is 5 million, dude. It's just gonna be a while.
Yeah.
I mean, Costco has pretty low volume too. Usually, that's the volume on that's usually kind of low too. But it does make big moves, make big moves, big boosts.
Well, I think with Costco, like you have like Costco is probably like Activision, where it's like so heavy in institutions that nothing, even if it takes a dip, nothing really is gonna bring Costco down.
Yeah, average is normally 2 million volume. But you're right.
Oh yeah, my trend line on Oxy.
That's a nice trend line.
Starbucks is actually in a channel right now too, but it's slow.
What pattern did I have here on Oxy? Hold on.
Is it Oxy? Oh yeah, that is.
What's Oxy?
I think it's gas, isn't it?
Gas.
Mhm.
Yeah. So oil plays would be good. Yeah, Oxy's pretty good.
Price of gas just went down a little bit, just a little
Wait,
bit.
why,
Today.
why is my beef? Oh yeah, because I had drawn this way before. I'm like, what the fuck? Okay, so we created a new B point, so this might change my pattern. Give me a sec.
Anyone here get their tax refund yet for gas? By the way,
No,
Oh yeah,
did you?
no, dude. I think. Did you get yours, buddy?
no, not yet.
Oh.
I've been checking every day.
Right. I want to get it in full port. Whatever Gavin Newsom gives me back. Full port $200.
Damn.
Hey man, and that's SPX. It can get you a long way.
And I've been studying that, dude.
Okay, so actually, I think I'm gonna put 382. So it has room all the way here, but it can stop anywhere. So I think, what's the current point right now? 7. Yeah, I think Oxy might have completed the C point already because we're above this 200 and it held, and everything's curling up. I just want to see what it does at the 38, because right now it's in no man's land, right? I don't like this huge gap here, so probably calls on top of the 38. So add that, Ed.
Calls on Oxy.
Yeah, if it goes above the 38. Above 38, we can take this. This is it's a butterfly. Yeah. Let me jump my line here. Yeah, especially like because winter's coming up and shit. I think this will be a good play.
See, OXY short at what? The 38 you said?
No, not short. Calls above the
Okay.
38. Yeah.
All right, broskies, I'm gonna go. Good
Night.
luck.
Good night, Mark.
Tomorrow,
Good luck,
over
everyone.
Like,
at 5:30.
Great.
FOMC at 11.
oh, so that's
We
11.
have, and then Thursday we have job report, right?
Thursday,
Jobless.
CPI. Yeah, dude.
Hey.
CPI is gonna be big, man.
Hey, tell me again the times for PPI and FOMC again, Mark.
PPI is 5:30 a.m. So an hour before open,
Okay.
and then FOMC minutes. So I don't think Jay Powell's speaking. They're just sending out the report
Okay.
from what I read, and that's at 11. So the report drops at 11,
Okay.
and then Thursday is CPI, and then Friday bank earnings pre-market. Right? That's what you said.
Yeah.
Yeah, the banks.
Yeah. Now we gotta look at bank earnings, because like back then I felt like it wasn't as much of a catalyst, but with everything happening, bro,
Right?
bank
There's some
earnings-
shit in there.
Yeah, bank earnings are gonna be big, especially with what Bank of England said, bro. That's gonna might like tank everybody.
Hold on, let me check this. I think I had I don't know what happened to my pattern on Bitcoin.
Stupid that I'm kind of surprised.
this is real quick.
Bigger issue than what it has to be.
I saw Bitcoin going up a little bit when stocks was going down today.
That could jeopardize his green card.
Yeah, this is where I got my. Is this lower? Yeah. This is where I got my my Bitcoin going to 12 to 10. So Cypher, we complete. So the first PT. Hold on, this is the daily though. So 1-1. No way, dude. This is not right. I don't think that's too big of a move. Let me go on the 4 hour.
I was gonna say, I'm like, yo, we go Bitcoin to 100K. That trend line though.
Hour. No, 4 hours.
Box like that.
Damn, I hate this.
Oh, so you did your trend line from COVID low to current, huh?
On Bitcoin, no, I did it from the fucking beginning of time, dog.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, imagine if you bought Bitcoin down there, dude. Fuck.
And this was before, like, you could have gotten way earlier. 'Cause this is when it showed on the markets, right? This is before.
Right, yeah, it was like $10 back in the day or some bullshit. That's
Like in,
crazy.
2010 or something, right?
Yeah, early 2000. Yeah.
So let me see. I don't think I had. Did I have the pattern before? There's another W that I got. Yeah, I think it's this. Yeah, maybe here. Yeah, this one's a little better. This one fits. So 1-1-3.
I just want to say I'm sorry. You know? I am so nervous.
786. Huh?
Oh, ooh, ooh.
So yeah, something like that. And that's conservative. It can go all the way to like down here, bro. But I don't think it'll go that low.
That's what she told me. Like, I don't get the whole story. I get like the things you want me to hear because you don't want to hear.
Where's Shib at, actually?
I haven't checked in Shipman forever.
Same. Oh, my trend. My
4
fibs are
zeros
still
and
holding.
10. Probably holding at a 61 or something.
Because you're not telling me like the whole.
God damn, bro. This is not looking good for shit, bro.
Like no one's
Just
talking
all
about
crypto.
any crypto right now because it's just that bad.
Yeah, it's just like no hope right now, bro. Anyways, let's go back to the real shit.
Anyways, let's go back to the real shit.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that candle. What just happened?
Uh-oh.
What the hell?
Whoa, look at that wick.
Uh-oh, here we
Oh,
go.
look at the rejection though on the 7-8 though. Clean rejection on the 786.
What are they trying to do?
Hey, is it live now, Miguel? Because you bought like the additional data on top of the fucking subscription, right?
Yeah, I have the CME group subscription data.
I need to buy that. That, and then you also have the Weeble data as well. You buy that subscription every month.
Yeah.
Okay, I need to do that. Keep on forgetting.
Oh wow, and it actually rejected this trend line. The X to B.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so this gives me more conviction that they are doing these patterns. So actually, I'm gonna just lock this. Yeah, so isn't it crazy how like they build harmonics on harmonics, right?
It is
So it's
pretty
like-
nuts when he showed us that.
Yeah, so this little one turns into the bigger one, and then that bigger one turns into the bigger one, and yeah, it's fucking nuts, dude. Yeah, look at that shit. Yeah, we gotta go to the C point first before we even get a bounce. So tomorrow, let's see what they do, man. Let me look at the range on SPX here.
But she don't understand that I'm doing all this for us to get the blessing.
Okay, we highlight harmonics.
Because I am bringing another wife of the lady down to my family. And I'm worried because I don't have a right now.
Okay, so this 786 here, that 357, and then the low of day. This is a double bottom here. It should be heavily
Okay.
watched. A break of that, it'll just dump. And we have so many C points on the way. So like if they don't hold, bro, that means we're just going to the bigger and bigger harmonics. To the big one over here, the bad
The
boy.
Big
right?
Daddy? Damn.
It's a big boy.
Yeah, but for now we just play it level by level, and then we see what they do at the C point of here. If this doesn't hold, then we just go to the next one, and then go to the next one, and then see what happens.
That's crazy how you like put it together like a puzzle.
Yeah. So I think what they can do. See. So this is one, and then this is. We close at 358. 560. That's a 20-point move. 100-point move.
Okay. Do you believe in love at first sight? I actually do not. Or should I walk by again?
And the crazy thing though is that because these are all like potential harmonics, is that if they dump it to any of these C points, they can fucking rip it, right? So this C point right here on this medium harmonic is gonna be crucial to see what they do here. If it holds here, then best believe they're gonna fucking
Can scream,
shit.
huh?
and retest something. Yeah. But if this doesn't hold, then god damn, I see this.
Good God.
And look, and without the harmonics and shit, and just on fibs alone, ignore the horizontal blue lines, okay?
Mhm.
So if we, like I said, if we break the 786 and the low of day, we just let me turn on my ATR, so just in case the swing ones. So we have an ATR here, almost right next to the 50. So that's at 3500, And if that doesn't hold, then we go to the 88, which is at 3414.
They're so far spaced. Those swing ATRs.
What's up?
There's so much space in between them.
Yeah, because these are swings, right? These are
Ooh.
swings. So anytime we close above or below a swing ATR, chances are we are going to go to the next ATR. And if we close below that ATR, chances are we are going to go to the final PT. So whoever added here, right? Whoever added here is already up over 100 points. This was early October, bro. So if whoever caught this move and is still holding, is fucking banking. So if anything, on ATRs alone, you can just see what it does at this level, at this ATR. If it closed below it and holds, then you can just take it down. That's almost a 100-point move, assuming we get the news that we want, right?
Jerome Powell says inflation is transitory again.
Nah, bro, we just need that hot dog too.
Yeah,
$2, bro.
I'll talk
That's
to
it. It'll tank
$2.
everything.
They've already stated well enough that that's thing staying.
Or if California says they're gonna tax us for fucking breathing, huh? They tax us for everything.
Yeah.
God damn.
I think. Hey, where's my big one? Where's the big boy at? Oh, it's already there. Yeah. Wait, what happened to my trend line? Did it delete?
Whoa.
Oh no,
You hide it?
that was on that was on futures.
The bigger time frame.
That was on futures.
Oh.
Yeah. This is all futures. Okay. Oh, so look, we also rejected an ATR. I didn't have them on, so we rejected the 786. We have a trend line coming down, and we also have this ATR acting as resistance on the chart. But on the 10-minute, we found support here at the 200. Oh, on the 15, we rejected the 200. 30. I think it's coming down. Hourly rejected the 50. Yeah. Anyways, that's it for me, y'all.
Good
Cool.
shit.
Thanks for coming on, Miguel. Showing us some shit.
Yep.
Show.
I'm always excited for
Okay.
these.
Catch you guys tomorrow morning.
Good luck with the trades, everyone.
Yep.
Alrighty.
Later, boys.
Good night.
See ya.
See ya.
See ya.
Cool. I think that does it. Main feed. Yep. So lots of data coming out this week. We have PPI. We got. What we have tomorrow? Oh, my camera's. You're not supposed to see my camera. My microphone. God damn it. Oh. Get over there. Go look at Hokusai. There we go. What is that we got? Oh yeah, PPI at 5:30 in the morning, and then FOMC at 11, and then CPI on Thursday, and then bank earnings on Friday. So that's what we got for the week. That's gonna be that. All right, and that was only 1 hour, so it's not a 3-hour stream this time. All right, good luck with your trades, everyone. See ya.